The same is stated by Hazrat Ammar, Hazrat Abu Zar, Hazrat Anas, Jabir bin Zaid, Ikrimah and Zuhuri. And Hazrat Yahya bin Sa'id Ansari said, I did not find the jurists of my homeland, but they would perform salutation at the end of each 2 units. Hazrat Jabir bin Abdullah radiyallahu anhu reports, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam used to teach us istikhara, seeking guidance of Allah Jalla Jalaluhu in all affairs, just as he sallallahu alaihi wasallam would teach us a chapter of the Quran. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam would say, when any of you intends to do something, he should perform 2 units optional prayers. Then say, O Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, I beseech you for the goodness through your knowledge, and I request you for power by your power, and I ask you out of your great bounty, because you have power and I have none. You know, but I do not, and you know best the invisible. O Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, if you consider that this matter is good for me regarding my religion, my livelihood, and my affairs in the hereafter, ordain it for me and make it easy for me, then bless me with it. But if you consider this matter unfavorable for me regarding my religion, my livelihood, and my affairs in the hereafter, turn it away from me and turn me away from it. Ordain good for me wherever it may be, and then make me pleased with it. He said, he should name what he requires. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 1162.